Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing this Kina Shen baby doll inspired look. I've been obsessed with her recently, and I came up with this look inspired by her. So yeah, if you're interested in learning, please keep on watching. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, first we're going to use a base color, so I'm going to use this one right here, and taking my finger, just spread it out. And it's okay if it's looking a little messy at first, but it'll come around, trust me. By the way, this shade right here is called Dirty Sweet. Okay, the next step, we're going to be taking this shade called Radar and put it in our outer corner. Oh, by the way guys, before I forget, for today's video, I'll be using this Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. Now you can use any earthy tone palettes, it's up to you. I personally chose this palette for today, so yeah. So you should have something like this. Next up, we're going to be taking this shade called Whiskey and just top it on the previous shade we used earlier, just to deepen it a little more. So do you see the difference? And don't forget your other eye as well. So you should have something like this. See that? Next, we'll be taking an eyeliner. It can be any eyeliner you have. I'm using the Hyper Sharp Power Black by Maybelline. We're just going to draw a liner, a wing eyeliner, and draw the crease. Now I usually like to wing out, like draw a line on the outer corner of my eye first as a guide, and then I'll connect it from the inside out, if you get what I mean. So it should look something like this. I've already drawn on my left eye as well. So next step, we're going to be drawing the crease over it using the same eyeliner. So as you can see, I've elongated my bottom wing liner to make way for the, the top crease liner. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing my other eye off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. So now that I have both of my eyes all winged out, all creased, lined up using the eyeliner, take your time doing it because you need to be really precise when drawing this. It's not easy, but take your time. So in the next step, we will be taking the same Whiskey shade, and we're going to basically go over the line we did on our crease to just basically, flare it out and to not look harsh, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be doing my other eye real quick, and I'll be right back. And then next, we're going to be taking this shade called Black Market and just go over it. Next, taking the same ink eyeliner, just double draw, and voila! That's our eyes. Not completely done, almost there. So next, okay, so the next step is something that I don't enjoy doing it because for me, I have like sensitive eyes, so I usually skip pencil liners. I don't really enjoy having them in my waterlines. However, in today's video, I'm gonna make an exception, and I'll be using this white pencil liner from Sephora, and basically just draw in my waterline. So this is how it should look like when you have the white pencil liner on. So for the next step, we're going to be taking Black Market once again for our bottom. Now we do not want to go over the white pencil liner we put on earlier. We're just gonna take it lower to make our eyes look bigger than it already is. Like my eyes are gonna look huge. I'm doing our other eye real quick. And next we'll be taking the shade called Whiskey to basically smoke it out. My eyes are literally looking humongous at this point. So up next, I'll be taking this sleek makeup highlighting palette in this shade called Hemisphere right here. So we're basically just going to highlight. And don't forget to highlight your brow bones. So as usual, I'm gonna go off camera real quick to put on my lashes and mascaras, and I'll be right back. And voila, this is how my eyes look like at this point. It's looking really huge, but that's the goal right here, is to look like a doll. We try to look like a doll, okay? So because today's look is doll inspired, I'm going to be taking this MEAAAAAN cheek powder palette and going to be using their Wineberry blusher and just top it off, just, you know, on the apples of my cheeks, just a little bit. Okay, fancy. So does any one of you know who Kina Shen is? I'm sorry if I pronounced her name wrongly. So she is someone that basically this look was inspired by her. I'm kind of liking the whole doll anime goth princess look that she's vibing from her Instagram. So yeah, I hope I did her justice. And as for the lips, we're going to be using one of my favorite nude lipsticks that I own. It's by Urban Decay called Back Talk. So we're going to just... And next, I'm going to be taking this lip color from MEAAAAAN and in this shade called Wild Plum to just, you know, like put it on the inside to create like an ombre effect. And that's that. And that's the whole look completed. So yeah, I've added some highlighter on my cheekbones and set it with the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Of course you didn't see that because I skipped the video. So how are we feeling with this look? I personally, it's an experiment, truly. I love this whole doll Lolita Japanese vibe recently. Maybe it has something to do with my recent trip to Tokyo. So yeah, I love their fashion, I love their makeup. Of course, it's not really an everyday kind of look when it comes to their makeup style. Also, this look was inspired by Kina Shen. If you don't know who she is, Google her up, search for her on Instagram, and you'll understand why I'm obsessed with her. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!